Hey everyone, great to see you again. If you're a YouTuber, you probably already know how much effort it takes to add chapters to your videos. And if you want to use AI to generate them, you usually have to buy paid tools. But today, I'm going to show you a trick that lets you generate chapters using AI, completely free. Here's one of my videos, and if you notice, there are no chapters added yet. But in this video, I'm going to show you a super easy and totally free trick to generate chapters for your own YouTube videos. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. First, you need to open ChatGPT. Then, in the description of this video, you'll find a prompt. Just copy that prompt, go back to ChatGPT, and paste it there. After that, ChatGPT will respond saying something like, "Alright, I'm ready. Please send me your video's transcription." Now go to your YouTube studio and upload your video. Once uploaded, open it in a new tab and start playing it. Scroll down to the description, and you'll see an option called Show Transcript. Click on it, and YouTube will start generating your video's transcript. Then simply select and copy that transcript. Now here's how it works. When we upload a video to YouTube, it automatically generates a transcript with accurate timestamps. So when you send this transcript, with timestamps, to ChatGPT, it can understand what's being said at each time and generate chapters accordingly. Alright, so once you've copied the transcript, go back to ChatGPT and paste it. And ChatGPT will begin generating your chapters. Once the chapters are generated, just select and copy them. Then head back to YouTube Studio, go to Edit Video, and paste the chapters anywhere in your video's description. After that, click on Save Changes so everything gets updated. Now, as you can see, there are no chapters added to the video yet. But the moment I refresh the page, boom, the chapters will appear. You'll now be able to see that the chapters have been added. And if you want to check whether the chapters are aligned with the exact timing, you can do that too. For example, if I click on this chapter and play the video, you'll see that right after showing the example videos, I talked about this exact topic. Same thing here. If I click on this chapter about how to make a video like Wisdom of Words, you'll see that I started explaining it at the exact timestamp. Exactly like I'm doing here, and go back to ChatGPT. Make sure you're in the same tab where we entered our previous prompt. Paste it. So that's how you can generate YouTube video chapters using ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.